Namaste students. Today class we will learn about the uses of radioactivity. So radioactivity already you know in some elements have atomic number 83 above. That element spontaneous itself giving the alpha beta gamma rays. If emitted means that is called radioactivity. Okay. Then radioactivity have two types. One is nuclear fission, another one is nuclear fusion. In the fission time, in the element itself, they will be giving some small nuclei. That is the isotopes. Okay, that isotopes called radioisotopes. Okay, ma'am. Next, this isotopes giving a various uses to in our life. For example, in medicine field, agriculture field, industry field, then archaeology means solliyal thurai, that department, they will be giving many applications. Okay, first we will see agriculture. The radioisotope phosphorus P32 helps increase the productivity of crops. So crops, you know, productivity of crops means அதாவது ஏதாவது பயிர் வகைகள் அதோட ப்ரொடெக்ஷன், அதுலேருந்து நம்மளுக்கு என்ன யூஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் பாஸ்பரஸ் இஸ் கிவிங் மோர் ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி ஆஃப் த கிராப்ஸ். ஓகே, தென் the radiations from the radioisotopes can be used to kill the insects and parasites to prevent the wastage of agricultural products. That is means some isotopes if you use means they will be kill the insects and parasites. Parasites means ottuni, that like insects only. They will be killing insects and parasites. Then after that it will be prevent the agricultural products. Okay, then certain perishable cereals exposed to radiations remain fresh beyond their normal life, enhancing the storage time. Some food and all having easily decomposable, ali mannoda makkirum. So we use the some radiations means they will be have a fresh. So how it will be, how we get the grabs to in our house means that time how like it will be fresh, that way some food is having. Okay, so if you storage any place means they are not giving any decay. Very small doses of radiation preventing sprouting, spoilage of onions, potatoes and gram. So you know the onion and potatoes and all we getting in our in the we get the market in our house. It will be maximum sprouting. Sprouting means mulai விட்டுருக்குது, தழுத்துருக்கும் லைட்டாக. So if we use some heavy small dose radiation if you apply to the potatoes means they are non-sprouting. The sprouting if you have any potatoes it will be they also decay only, easier செதஞ்சிரும், அழுக ஆரம்பிச்சிரும். So we want to avoid that, like means we must use the they will be use the very less dose of radiation. Okay, that same way in the onion, gram also.